Good morning, students. Welcome back to maths class. Okay. Now, the next, already we completed all the exercise in your first chapter. Exercise 1.1 to 1.6. Okay. Next, want to move the miscellaneous examples and its exercise. Okay. And before that, you should know what is that. Miscellaneous examples and exercise mean what? In your previous 10th syllabus, 10th standard, you are studied in each chapter, and some of the chapters we have end of the chapter we have one exercise named by in bracket optional. Okay, so the optional means it is very important that optional exercise is contains all the exercise of the unit, the concept, all the concept of all the exercise in the unit. So like that, miscellaneous exercise in your 11th and 12th standard instead of optional, the word is miscellaneous examples and exercise. Okay. So and before that, we want to continue the continuous of exercise 1.6 and 2. I give you oral instruction. You have to complete that exercise. Okay. Because already you know very well in this exercise 1.1 to 1.6. Why? Because of this is very easiest chapter and all the one we are covering. So that's why. Okay. Now fine. The next topic. Some creative question I give you. The first. A is equal to. So can you remind the previous formulas? What is that? N of A union B equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. So this is for two sets. Suppose if we are going to take the three sets, mean N of A union B union C equal to N of A plus N of B plus N of C minus N of A intersection B minus N of B intersection C minus N of A intersection C plus N of A intersection B intersection C. So for that formula, I give you one question. A equal to the given question. A equal to 4, 5, 6. Then B is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. Then the set C is given 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now I am going to prove the formula. What is that formula? N of A union B union C, which is equal to N of A plus N of B plus N of C minus N of A intersection B minus N of B intersection C minus N of A intersection C plus N of A intersection B intersection C. So this is a nice formula. Yes. Now we want to move the three sets. And given the three sets, we want to prove. Okay. So first, in left side, I am going to take. What are they? N of A union B union C. So first, I am going to take A union B union C, which means what is that? A. The elements of A 4, 5, 6, and to join with B. 5, 6 already having, so 7, 8. Then C join with C. 6, 7, 8 already having, so 9. So the elements are what are they? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So already I told you N of A union B union C, which is equal to, what do you mean N of A union B union C? What are they? How many elements on the set? So how many elements? 6 are. So this is your value of N of A union B union C. So take as equation number 1. Okay, fine. Now I am coming to right side. So right side we have a bigger one. Okay. So I am taking the every step. First A equal to what is given? 4, 5, 6. So what is N of A? N of A equal to 3. Now coming to B. N of B equal to 4. Then C also N of C equal to 4. Have you got it? And next I am coming to B, A intersection B. So first you should know what are the common elements of A intersection B. What is common element? Tell me what are they? A and B. The elements 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 only is the common element of A intersection B. Okay. Now N of A intersection B equal to how much? 2 elements. Next B intersection C. So B intersection means we have to consider by the set C and B. So the elements are 6, 7, 8. Okay. Fine. Now N of B intersection C, which is equal to 3. Then A intersection C. So consider the sets of A and C. So the common elements are what are they? 6, 6 only. Okay, here 4, 5, 6, there is 6, 7, 8, 9. So the common element only one, the element is 6. Now n of A intersection B intersection, A intersection B, and next one is n of A intersection C equal to 1. Then finally n of A intersection B intersection C. Okay, now see in A intersection B intersection C, what is the common element on the 3 given set means 6 only, because 6 is the only element which is common to 3 sets. Okay, now A intersection B intersection C, which is equal to the same only one element, the same, we don't want to write, just write, no problem. Now n of A intersection B intersection C, which is equal to 1. Have you got it, student? And next, finally I am coming to RHS. The formula is n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B minus n of B intersection C minus n of A intersection C plus n of A intersection B intersection C. Now I am going to substitute. What is n of A? 3. Then n of B 4. N of C 4 minus n of A intersection B how much? 2. N of B intersection C 3 minus n of A intersection C 1, then plus n of A intersection B intersection C 1. Okay, now I am going to simplify. How to simplify? Plus 1 minus 1 cancel, plus 3 minus 3 cancel. So the remaining 4 plus 4, 8 minus 2, which is equal to 6. So this is 2. Okay, and consider the left side is 1. So from 1 and 2, left side equal to right side? No. So like that we have to verify. Okay, so example this formula, or if you want to take n of A union B or n of A minus B, for every formula you have to prove like that. Okay, for the given set. Okay, have you got it, children? And next, see how to represent the given set in Venn diagram. So that's only I am going to teach now. How to represent. Okay. So for example, see, suppose I am taking only the two sets A and B. Means, so the circle A and circle B. So this is A and that is B. Okay. How to represent the numbers, elements? Mean, so first, do you know what is this? So this is the place for only A and this is the place for only B. And this one is the place for common both A and B. Yes? Is it or not? Yes. Now, so what is the given elements? The elements are 4, 5, 6, A. B equal to 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now, see. So what is the common element on both A and B? 5 and 6, no. So the 5 and 6, I am going to mention center of the both A and B. Intersection place I am going to mention. Okay. And next, what is the remaining element of A? 4. 4 we have to mention in any places of A. Any other, right? No problem. Then B, already I mentioned 5 and 6, no. The remaining element 7, B. So that's all. So like that only we have to represent. Okay. So this is easy to you for 2 sets. Suppose, so the given question is 3 sets like that. How to represent that means, wait, I will explain it. Now, I am going to add one more circle named by C. Okay, so this is the C. Now listen carefully all of you. So first, for the 3 sets, which is the common element? So the common element of 3 is 6. So I am going to mention in the place of 6. And before that you should understand, so this is the circle of A which is represent full and fully. And this is the B, full and fully. Now coming to this is C. Next, this is the place for common A and B. And this is the place for common B and C. Then this is the place for common A and C. And middle place, so this one is the common both A and for all A, B, C. Okay. Now, so the common element of A, B, C is 6. I am mentioning here. And next I am comparing for A and B. What is the common element? 5 and 6. Already I mentioned 6. No, it's now 5. Okay. Then B and C. Consider the sets B and C. So the common element of 5, 6, 7, 8. So 6 already I mentioned. Okay. So what is the remaining B and C? 7 and 8 apa? So you should mention here 7 and 8. Okay. Then consider the sets A and C. So the common element of 6 only. So already I mentioned it. So there is nothing to mention here. Okay. Now I am coming to mention by each A, B and C. Okay. Now A, what are the elements? 4, 5, 6 are 5, 6 are already mentioned. So the remaining is 4. Okay. Then B, 5, 6, 7, 8. So every element is marked. So no problem. And C, so the element of 6 is only 8. So 9 is the only element of C only. So like that we have to represent. Okay. Have you got it, all of you? Yes, fine. And next we have to move by that word problem, statement problem. Okay. So already I explained you in exercise 1.6. So continuous of that 1.6, I give you some sums, some questions. Okay. Now example 32 question. Example 32. Now listen. So the given question, a market research group conducted a survey of 1,000 consumers and reported that 720 consumers like product A and 450 consumers like product B. Now, what is the question is, what is the least number that must have like both products? Okay. Now the given, and before that we should mention, let A be denoted by the number of consumers like the product A, and B is denoted by the number of consumers like the product B. Okay. Now given, what is given? The universal set N of U is given by 1,000 consumers. Okay. Now how many of them like the product A? So that is 720. Now N of A equal to 720. Then how many consumers like the product B? That is 450. Yes. Now N of B equal to 450. Now what we are going to find? Find how many of them. What is the least number of people or consumer must have only the like both products. Okay. So that is I am going to find N of A intersection B. So that's only we are going to find. Okay. Fine. Already in previous class also I told you is easy method you have to write take A B. Okay. And in your book itself they are giving the first letter of that. We have to mention N of A, N of D like it. So with this easy method you have to follow this one. Okay. Now see what is the formula N of A union B? Do you know that? Is N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Okay. Now what is N of A? Tell me. N of A is 720 and N of B equal to 450 minus N of A intersection B. We don't know. So that's only we are going to find. Okay. Now add these two, what will come? 0, 5 plus 2, 7 and 7 plus 2, 11. 11 minus N of A intersection B. Okay. Now and before that you should know one concept, very important concept. So that is N of A union B. For every set N of A union B is less than or equal to N of U. So definitely it will come like that one. Okay, N of A union B, at least the element A and B to get what will come less than or equal to N of U. That is universal. Okay, now here see N of universal is 1000 no. N of universal is 1000 no. Now here A union N of A plus N of B is 1170. So it will not cross 1000. So I am going to find now N of A intersection B, which is equal to 1170 minus 1000, which is equal to how will come 170. Okay. Now you understood all of you? Yes. Okay. Have you got it then? Fine. And next I give you one question for the set 3 set. Given 3 set. Okay. So this is very important concept, mind you. See students, and wait. Students, listen to the given question. So this is your creating and advertising agency find that of its 170 clients, 115 use TV, 110 use radio, 130 use magazine. Also, 85 using TV and magazine, 75 using TV and radio, 95 use radio and magazine, and 70 use all the three. Now, the question is asking, find how many use only radio, only TV and magazine but not radio. Okay. So first, let A be the taking number of clients use TV and B is taking by radio and C is taking by magazine. Okay. So this one, try your formula N of A union B union C, but that is one biggest one. But alternate of that, I give you creative as using the Venn diagram. Okay, so this is A and that is B and this one is C. Okay, now listen carefully all of you. In a total 170 clients. So universal is 170. Universal equal to 170. Now 115 use TV pump. Now 115 use TV. Then 110 use radio. 110 use radio. And 130 use magazine. Now coming to 85 use TV and magazine. TV and magazine. Always you have to write TV. So that is radio. And this one is magazine. So easily you have to find a mention. Okay. Now 85 use TV and magazine. So TV and magazine means, so this one A intersection C. So that is 85. 85. Then 75 use radio TV and radio. TV and radio. A intersection B is 75. Then 95 use radio and magazine. So radio and magazine 95. And 70 use all three. Okay. Now we are going to simplify. Listen carefully all of you. So first you should simplify that double circles. 75 minus 70 which is equal to how much? 5. Okay. Now 85 minus 70. So that is equal to 14. Then 95 minus 70 which is equal to 25. 25. Have you got it? And coming to that, the only A, only B, only C, like. So we have to add these three. 70 plus 5, 75, 75 plus 15, what will come? What will come? 90. So which is equal to, what will come? 25. Okay? 25. Now coming to radio only mean, see, so this is 110 people use radio already I told you. Now, so the main answers are 5, 70 and 25. So 5 plus 70 is 75. 75 plus 25, 100. So 110 minus 100 which is equal to 10. Okay. Now coming to the third circle, 130 minus C. 15 plus 70 is 85. 85 plus 25, 90, 110. 110. So the remaining is 20. So like that you have to simplify. Okay. Now the question is, what is the first question? How many use what? Only radio. So only radio means, so this is your final answer. So therefore 10 clients use only radio. Okay. And next, how many use only TV? Only TV means, so this is your final answer for TV. So how many of them? 25 are yes, 25. So 25 clients use only television, that is TV. Okay. Then finally, the third question is asking, listen carefully, how many of them use TV and magazine but not radio? So TV and magazine they need, but we don't want radio. So the answer is 15. Okay. So the third question is 15 clients use TV and magazine. TV and magazine but not radio. Not radio. Okay, have you got it, children? So like that you have to use the Venn diagram and to solve me. So the question will be very easy to you. And again I told you listen carefully. So this is the circle of A. So this is the answer. How to find means? So first 115 only A, 110 only B, and 130 only C. Okay. I mean only means 115 use TV, 110 use radio, and 130 use magazine. Now 75 use TV and magazine, 95 use radio and magazine, and 85 use TV and magazine, and 70 use all the three. So the simplification how to do this means, see, first we have to take the intersection of the three things. So three things is 70. So we don't want to do, take the same. And coming to the two things, so this 70 want to subtract by 3. So 75 minus 70, the answer is 5, and 85 minus 70 is 15, and 95 minus 70 is 25. Okay. So now coming to the individual circle. So first A circle means 115 minus 5 plus 70, 75, 75 plus 15, how much? 90. So this is your 1D A. So like that we have to complete all of them. Okay? Have you got it, children of you? So suppose question, how many use only magazine? We have right 20. Suppose the question, how many use radio and magazine but not TV? So which means 25. Okay? Have you got it, children? Fine. Now, so the last question for this word problems, this kind of word problem. Now students, example 33 already I gave you in worksheet. Okay, this is very simple. So out of 500 cars investigated, 400 owned car A and 200 owned car B, and 50 owned both car A and B. So is this data correct? We have to use the formula n of A union B equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Suppose already I told you n of universal, I mean n of A union B which is less than or equal to n of U. So like that concept, if it is satisfied means the data is correct, otherwise wrong. Okay. Now next example 34. So this also in the part of Venn diagram. Okay. Now listen, a college awarded 38 medals in football. Now taking, let A be the number of students medal in football. Then B denoted by the number of students awarded in basketball. Then C denoted by the number of students awarded in cricket. Okay. Now, so what is given? So given we need to write. So in the college awarded 38 medals in football. So that is n of A equal to 38. Next 15 in basketball. So n of B equal to 15. Then 20 in cricket. So n of C equal to 20. Okay. If these medals went to total of 58 men and only 3 men got all the three sports. That is n of A intersection B intersection C, which is equal to 3. So 3 men only got all the 3 medals. And in these medals went to total of 58 people. So 58 men. Like that n of A union B union C, which is equal to 58 is given. Okay. Now what is the question is asking me? How many received medals in exactly 2 of these 3 sports? Exactly 2. See, exactly 2 means it is very simple. See, look at the Venn diagram. We have to circle, draw the 3 circles like that. Okay. Now listen. So this is A and that is B and this is B. We don't know that. So that is mentioned by in your book itself. They are given. This one is A and B. See, this one is C and the middle place is D. Okay, and the middle place already we know that is 3 because 3 men got all the 3 medals. Okay, now I am going to find the formula n of A union B union C. So do you know the formula? Yes, remind that n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B minus n of b intersection c minus n of a intersection c plus n of a intersection b intersection c. Okay, fine. Now I'm going to substitute n of a union b union c is 58, which is equal to n of a is how much? 38. N of b is how much? 15. N of c is 20 minus, what is that? N of a intersection b minus n of b intersection c minus n of a intersection c plus 3. Okay. Now I'm going to simplify. That is 58, which is equal to 38 plus 20. 58 plus 15. 58, 68, 73, 76. So 76 minus. So see, these three terms, they have a common by the sign minus. So if you take minus outside, n of a intersection b minus n of b intersection c minus n of a, plus minus, it will become plus a intersection c. Like that is how to mention. Okay, now I'm moving this side. So this is n of a intersection b plus n of b intersection c plus n of a intersection c, which is equal to 78 minus 76 minus 58. So subtract this 16 minus 8, 8 and the 80. The answer is 80. Now listen carefully. A intersection b. So this one you know. So A intersection b means, so these two elements. So A plus d plus b intersection c means, so these two. Okay. So c plus d. Then finally A intersection c means, so this one is b plus d. Okay. Now add this A plus b plus c plus b plus d plus d. How much? 3d. D already we have 3. So 3 plus 3 plus 3. How much? 9. So plus 9, which is equal to 80. So we have a plus b plus c, which is equal to 80 minus 9. So the answer is 9. Okay. So 9 students who got exactly 2 of these 3 medals. 2 of these 3 medals. Have you got it, children? In your book itself, they are giving some words you don't want to see. This is a simple thing. Simple way. So that's all. Have you got it, children? It's fine. And next, listen. So the miscellaneous exercise, question number 13, 14, 15 and 16. So these 4 questions based on this exercise. Okay, fine. Now, so the 30th question is very simple. In a survey of 600 students in the school, 150 students went to found the taking tea and 220 taking coffee. So already I gave you in that worksheet some like that. But that question is a simple word, double digit numbers. But this is a triple digit numbers. So like that you have to continue. And 14th also same. 100 students know Hindi, 50 students English and 25 students both. If each student knows that either Hindi or English. Okay. So how many students are there in the group? So how many students are there in the group? We have to find it very simple. What is that? N of A union B. What is that? N of A union B. Okay, fine. N of A union B, what is that? N of A plus N of B plus N of, so minus N of A intersection B. Why? Because of here given only the 2 sets. Okay. Now the 15th question is the, so that's also very simple in a survey. So 15th question only I teach you. And before that 16th question I explain you. In a survey, it was found that 21 people like product A, 26 people like product B, and 29 people like product C. If 14 people like both product A and B, that is A intersection B, and 12 people like both C and A, that is A intersection C or C intersection A, and 14 people like the product B and C, so that is B intersection C. Then 8 like all the 3 products, that is A intersection B intersection C. Now how many like the product only C? So only C means very simple. We have to subtract. What are they? N of C, which is equal, only C means N of C equal to N of C minus, what is the common? C. A, B, C. Okay. So they ask the question only C. So only C means what we are going to subtract, ma? So these two want to subtract and this want to add. So it's very simple work. Okay. So how to do this? And next, listen. So the 15th question I am going to teach now. So this is the last question for this model. Okay. So listen carefully all of you. Okay. So using the Venn diagram itself, you have to continue. So in a survey of 60 people, it was found that 60 people total. So in a survey, which means 60 people, 21 like the in 25 people read newspaper Hutch. So this is a we know the newspaper Hutch. Newspaper name Hutch. They are giving like that. And B, or otherwise you know to mention GHT. GHT. So which one you need? Just take it. No problem. HTI. Hutch. And B be the set of people read the newspaper. HT. Hutch for Hindi and D for Tamil. And C be the set of people read the newspaper. I. Okay. Now listen. So what is the given question? In a survey of 60 people, it was found 25 people read that newspaper Hutch, 26 people read that newspaper T, and 26 again people read newspaper Hutch. That's I. Okay. Then 9 people read both Hutch and I. Hutch and I means what will come? Hutch and I. A intersection B. So that is 9. Okay. Then 12 people like the product. 11 people both Hutch and T. Hutch and T means what will come? A and B. So that is 11 people. Then finally 8 people read T and I. T and I means B and C. 8 people. So finally 3 people read all the 3. Okay. Now we are going to simplify. So it is very simple. So listen carefully all of you. How to simplify? See. So first what I told you, we have to subtract these two. So what will come? 8. And 9 minus 3 is what will come? 6. And 8 minus 3 is 5. Okay. So the 25 minus we have to add these 3. So 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. So 25 minus 17 what will come? Subtract. 15, 8 so okay, and then 26 minus 8 plus 3, 11. And 11 plus 3, so 11 plus 5, 16. So the remaining is 10. Then finally, the newspaper I, that is C, 26 minus 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. So the answer is 12. So like that you have to simplify it. Now what is the question is asking? Listen, what is the question is asking? First one. So the number of people who read read at least one of the newspaper. So which means N of A union B union C. So for that you have to use the formula, or otherwise I give you that simple way. Simple way means what is that? So the answers are 8. Here again 8 plus here 10 plus this one is 5 and C 12 then here 6 plus 3. So how many portions you are going to select? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places. So 7 already having up. So now tell me what is that? 8 plus 8 16, 26, 31, 33, 43, 43, 46, 52. So how many people? 52 people who read at least one of that newspaper. Okay. Or otherwise this one you have to check it by N of A plus N of B plus N of C minus N of A intersection B minus N of B intersection C minus N of A intersection C plus N of A intersection B intersection C. So that formula also you have to use and to check your answer. The same answer only will come. Then the second question asking the number of people who read exactly one newspaper. So number of people who read exactly one newspaper. So what do you mean in this? Exactly one newspaper means only A or only B or only C. So these three are to add, right? So only A is 8 apa? plus only B is 10. Then only C is 12. So add this. What will come? 18. So 30. So 30 people they used only exactly one newspaper. Okay. Have you got it, children? It's very simple only. So that's all. Shall we move next? Yes. So here I give you the key points only. So you have to try and complete all the questions. Okay. See. So the example 28, 29 already you know very well. Okay. Equal set. Equal set means what? What is the exact? What is the element? It has exactly both A and C, A and B. Then the two sets are going to set to be an equal set. We have the same element. And the 29 question already you know. Subset, how to write the subset. Okay. Then 30 and 31. Listen carefully for 30 and 31. So here, show that A union B equal to A intersection B implies that A equal to B. So for that sum, for this, take your own example and to prove. So this is no need for your book pattern. The same pattern you don't want to continue. Okay. So take it your own example and to continue. Okay. And next also the same. So P of A intersection B, what is that boy? P of A intersection B means power set of P of B, what? Power set of A, power set of B. So that is P of A and P of B. Okay. Now, exercise question, first question. So decide among these following sets. Which of the sets are subset of one and another? Okay. So first for this, the set A, we have to write in the roster form. So this is a quadratic equation is given. X square minus 8x plus 12. So for that quadratic equation, you have to find the roots and to write the elements of A. So already they gave B and C and D, B, C, D. So from A, B, C, D, what are they? Which one of the subset? Okay, so you have to write it. Second question also, give your own examples and to verify this is true or false. True or false, you have to check. Okay, and the question third, fourth also the same. Third, fourth, fifth also the same manner. But sixth question, I give you some revision. So that is assume P of A is equal to P of B. Assume only. It's not given. Assume. Okay. Now we have to check A equal to B or not. Okay. So give your own examples here also. Okay. The question number, which one? What's it down? Yes, sixth question. So here also you have to take A is equal to simple elements 1, 2. Take no problem. Here B is equal to 2, 3. So like that you have to judge. So and before that we already know subset. What is subset? We have to write individual sets. Power set means we have to collect all the subset. So that is called the power set. So what is the common set for all the subset one? What is that? Empty set. Yes. Empty set is the subset for all the given set. Okay. So use that and to complete it. Okay. Fine. And then finally only one question I am going to give you. So the third question and the same pattern for 11th question. B equal to C. There also A equal to. Okay. In any one I give you. C. Use your own example and to complete. Okay. So the third question given. So the three sets are given. Third question. Given the three sets A union B which is equal to A union C. And one more thing is given A intersection B which is equal to A intersection C. Now what we are going to do, then show that to prove. So this is the alternate method for that instead of using the given examples. So take your own example and to prove, otherwise I give you this kind of one. Okay. Now listen, A union B is equal to, what is the given question? A union B equal to A union C. Now I'm taking that. Do you know the distributive property? Yes. So A union B, which is equal to A union C. For that, I'm taking intersection of C on both sides. It will come A union B intersection C, which is equal to A union C intersection C. Okay. So for that, how to do this? So this is very simple. Already you have in your what is that? Distributive property. So this one is C intersection also like A intersection C union B intersection C, which is equal to A union C intersection C. So C is only place of C, but A union C is both A and C. So what is the intersection? C only. C only. So like that you have to continue. Okay, A intersection B and A intersection C union B intersection C is equal to C. So like that you have to continue. Okay, and next also the same manner you have to do this. Okay, A union B is equal to what? A union C. So this is another question. Okay, so like that you have to take it. So here I am taking intersection on both sides. C no. Otherwise here A intersection B equal to A intersection C means taking union with the B or C. Anything you have to do and check it. Okay, fine. Fine students, so almost we complete everything. Okay, so here the question 3 to 12, all the question is very simple. Okay, take your own example and complete. Okay, so that's all. So our class is almost we are going to complete. So first chapter full and fully we completed. Okay, so do your worksheet and make your class note in a perfect manner. Okay, so thank you students.